Tips and tricks to make your bathroom cleaner and more organized. Keeping your bathroom clean and organized is essential to maintaining a healthy and comfortable living space. However, it can be a challenge to keep everything in order, especially if you have a busy schedule. In this article, we will share some tips and tricks to help you keep your bathroom clean and organized. Use baskets and trays. Baskets and trays are an excellent way to keep your bathroom organized. Use them to store your toiletries, towels, and other essentials. You can also use baskets to store your dirty laundry, so it doesn't pile up on the floor. Trays are great for holding smaller items like makeup, razors, and toothbrushes. Declutter your bathroom. The first step to a cleaner and more organized bathroom is decluttering. Start by getting rid of anything that you no longer need or use. This could include old cosmetics, expired medications, or towels that are beyond repair. Once you have decluttered your bathroom, it will be much easier to keep it clean and organized. Use hooks and racks. Hooks and racks are a great way to keep your towels and clothes off the floor. You can also use them to hang your bathrobe, loofah, and other items. Hooks and racks are an affordable and easy way to keep your bathroom organized and free of clutter. Clean your bathroom regularly. Regular cleaning is essential to maintaining a clean and organized bathroom. Make sure to clean your toilet, sink, shower, and bathtub regularly. You should also wipe down your counters and mirrors to keep them free of dust and grime. Regular cleaning will make it easier to keep your bathroom looking its best. Use the right cleaning products. Using the right cleaning products is important for keeping your bathroom clean and organized. Make sure to use products that are designed for your specific needs. For example, if you have hard water stains, you may need a product that is designed to remove them. Using the right cleaning products will make it easier to keep your bathroom looking its best. In conclusion, keeping your bathroom clean and organized is essential to maintaining a healthy and comfortable living space. Use these tips and tricks to help you keep your bathroom clean and organized. By decluttering, using baskets and trays, using hooks and racks, cleaning regularly, and using the right cleaning products, you can create a beautiful and functional bathroom that you will love.